you got your friend who do it and break it and big better do than a break make a tongue roast that put a tongue good. I roll a smash for your face with me close in me float and put it and spice up that place and that's all that vinegar. I don't let my boss a shine.